So, hi, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Gaurav Srimali, your head of admissions here at Enviro Skills Academy Goa. So today we are again come up with a new podcast, and right now I'm sitting with one of our new entrant to our elite list of international students. Her name is Rakhi. She is a prominent figure here in Enviro Skills Academy from last 6 months. She has done many tasks beautifully. She has achieved what we can say many nicknames over here, and today I'm going to talk about her journey, and she is going to let you know that how actually Enviro Skills has shaped her, and now how she is finally moving out of country. So welcome to our podcast, Rakhi. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm also great. Thank you so much. She's very happy right now. She was waiting for this moment from a long time, right? Because she has seen many students having a podcast with me, and she was not getting a chance to do so, right? Okay, so now we are going to learn from her that what she has done till now, and what she is planning to do from here. Okay, so Rakhi, over to you. Can you please elaborate about yourself? Can you please explain about yourself?
Chalega. So my name is Rakhi Gupta, as already told you. I come from Old Goa, which is nearby to the college, but I stay in the hostel to get more exposure, because अभी मैंने इंटरनेशनल लिया है तो कभी ना कभी मेरे को घर छोड़ के जाना ही पड़ेगा. So like hostel is a very great experience, and the hostel which Enviro Skills provide is really good. It's not at all like the hostels which you see on news and all ki they do not provide water, they do not provide anything, but they provide everything. So I joined this college in April last year. It has been a very इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी. जब मैं आई थी तब मेरे को इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. आई वॉज अ बिगनर. आई डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग. लाइक माई प्लान इवेंचुअली वॉज टू फिनिश माई 12th. मैंने 11th और 12th में अकाउंटेंसी एंड ऑडिटिंग स्ट्रीम लिया था. इट्स लाइक रिलेटेड टू कॉमर्स ओनली.
माय गॉड, सीरियसली?
हाँ. सो माई प्लान वॉज टू बिकम CA. मतलब इतने अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे. आई गॉट 12th में 94%. तो इतने अच्छे. माई पेरेंट्स वर ऑल्सो लाइक फाइन, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू डू. बट देन in our college, there is faculty in this college who goes in every college and gives seminar. So Rohan sir, our front office faculty, and Vinayak sir, our housekeeping faculty, had come to my college to give a seminar.
Nice, that's really nice. Yeah.
तो तब मैंने इस कॉलेज के बारे में फर्स्ट टाइम सुना था.
Okay.
और जब सुना तब मेरे को लगा लाइक I always had passion in cooking. Okay, मतलब मेरे को हमेशा से खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद था. Like it used to be my favorite.
CA who can cook well.
हाँ, kind of something like यही सपना था. And it was always my dream also to open my own business.
Okay.
तो like प्लान तो ही था 5 साल रुकने के बाद CA का कुछ रिलेटेड ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. Because my father is a businessman. तो खून में ही बिजनेस है.
सही बात है.
तो फिर बाद में जब सर आए कॉलेज में, दे टोल्ड अस अबाउट दिस वंडरफुल कॉलेज who gives us placement, who also gives us exposure for international, which mostly in Goa, living in Goa, I know no college does.
Exactly.
I
that
know
is what actually.
They always give placement तो college दे देगा, but domestic देगा. International कोई college नहीं देगा, especially in Goa. Goa is like full of tourism. My father works in tourism industry. I know how hard it is. तो exposure जब international मिल रहा था, and it has always been my dream. So I thought, why not give this industry a chance?
Exactly.
So after my 12th, I joined this college. Started my journey here. March I finished my boards. April I joined the college. So I did not get any time gap. मेरा रिजल्ट तक नहीं आया था, but I believed in myself कि मैं पास हो जाऊंगी, and I definitely passed. I came first in my class. My teachers अभी तक उनको विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि I joined this industry.
Oh my God.
अभी मैं उनसे मिलने जाऊंगी since I'm leaving for Dubai in some days. अभी उनको बताऊंगी that I'm this and this. They'll be like, Rakhi, what did you do? Why did you leave this industry? और बहुत कुछ पूछेंगे, but I knew कि जहाँ भी मैं जाऊंगी I'll be happy. So I'm actually happy in this industry. Cooking makes me something which I never felt. It just feels right to be this industry.
I can see on your face while you are explaining about your passion, the expression which is coming on your face, it's very
Thank
real.
you, sir.
It's actually original one. So
वो है.
How would you have felt like if you have done a CA, okay, और अगर आप CA बन चुके होते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या ये कुकिंग पैशन रह पाता फिर?
My friend, मतलब हम लोग, मेरा फ्रेंड अभी just I am still in contact with only some of my friends, like अभी जो he is going to answer CA foundation, उसकी लाइफ कितनी बोरिंग चल रही है. Every day he has to go to college, sit, he has to give almost 40 assignments a week. Okay. And me, I'm experiencing something else.
But your father might have told you something, ना? पैसे बहुत मिलते हैं उसमें, तो CA बन जाओगे तो.
He said कि you choose whatever you want, but then don't come back crying to me. If you're choosing this industry, be true to this.
हाँ, exactly.
मेरे पापा खुद एक self-made man है, you know, he came to Goa like when he was very young, so he had to build everything from himself. So he knows hard work is very important. So he told me the same thing. If you don't want to become this, if you want to become something else, your choice. But don't ever change. Be true to this, whatever you're doing. Even if you don't want to become CA, चलेगा.
Okay, nice है, nice. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? क्रश क्या है पता है इस डिस्कशन का? What we are having right now. It's not about कि choosing a different field to be in a different field. It's about choosing your dream, chasing your dream. Okay. Cooking was just your hobby. Then it became passion. And now it is becoming your profession. Career. So I don't know CA बनकर आप कितना earn कर पाते हैं, because at the end of the day whatever the people
I would earn a lot, but I would not feel happy the way I'm happy. When my interview was happening, the chef was French. So he asked me about my passion. Where did this passion come from? And I told him one thing. Some people just go to work just, you know, for the sake of working, but I don't want to do that. I want to go to work because I'm actually happy working.
That is actually important.
So because if you don't work happily, in some years you'll get bored and then you don't give your 100%. You start giving less and less.
Exactly.
But if you be happy to work, you'll go every day with a new energy, with a new feel, you know, always excited to work. So that is how I feel in life. You should not have any regrets about anything, and I don't regret that I left commerce industry for this industry, and I'm very happy that now I'm finally flying.
Exactly. Now, what is your age?
I actually turned 18 last year only, just, you know, some months back.
She's running to 19. She's flying to Dubai. If she was doing CA, she might have just writing a paper only, right?
वो तो है.
अब जब तक CA clear होगा, तब तक तो शायद आप junior sous chef, Commie 1
तो पक्का.
Commie 1 तक पहुंच जाएगी. She'll be the chef by herself. Okay. So अगर वो बात हो गई, सचिन तेंदुलकर को तो बॉलर बनना था. If she उनको सही गाइडेंस नहीं मिली होती तो शायद वो इतने अच्छे गॉड क्रिकेटर नहीं होते या गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट नहीं होता. So it's just about following your passion, your dream. Okay. So the gist of the discussion which I have found till now, कि पहली बात तो आपको पता चला 100% placement है. That was actually the guaranteed placement was there. When you came here, you found the hostel to be true like anything. Okay. It was completely different. The hostel facility was very nice. Being a girl, you are saying, right?
It is very safe also. Like हम लोग के साथ, the girls also in the hostel. Normally, I've seen girls hostel where they fight and all, but our girls, and I was the captain of the girls hostel.
Okay.
So my girl, at least I said my girls were really united. We used to work like a team.
Okay, literally. That's nice, yeah.
कुछ गलती नहीं. We used to make proper everything. Nothing. We used to fight anything. We all used to stay like a big happy family over there.
So this is what actually we were discussing when I am talking about from a very long time. Being in a safest place with your passion. इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है दुनिया में, ठीक है? Apart from that, if I'll ask Raki one more thing, okay? Raki, how about your career over here in 6 months with the classrooms, training, with your competitions, with the faculties and everything? How was those 6 months?
When I'd come, I found, मतलब मेरे class teacher was Vinayak sir. If you come here, you'll definitely meet him. He's one of the sweetest person and the best class teacher you'll ever find. He's really very supportive. सच बोलूँ, कुछ भी, he used to be the best. जो advice उन्होंने दी है हमें अभी तक, I still remember each and every word of his. If you meet him, definitely say hi to him for me. from me. I mean, then and started our classes. You know, one by one we met all the faculties. And in मेरी class में there were many students of CRM background.
Okay.
CRM is like catering restaurant
restaurant
management वाला. So they had already experience of this industry. Well,
अच्छा यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं आपको कट कर रहा हूँ. CRM का आपने बात उठाई है इसलिए like in north, like in Delhi, in Mumbai, in MP or in UP or Chhattisgarh or everywhere, there are three major subjects which a student can choose, which is commerce, bio and math. But here in Goa, they can choose one more subject, which is CRM. It is actually a hospitality management subject. So from 11th and 12th, students are getting prepared for the same. So you can understand कि hospitality industry कितनी बड़ी industry है, और खासकर गोवा के लिए it is a lifeline.
Tourism is in Goa. 65% of the revenue comes from tourism.
Exactly.
That is, if you come to Goa for this hospitality industry, you'll get one of the best placements and you'll get one of the best jobs and experience.
You'll get the best college in Enviro as well.
That is also true. Enviro Skills is the facilities which Enviro Skills provide in Goa is one of the best, even better than the. There is this one college. I won't say the name, but the fees is almost 30 lakhs a year.
Okay.
And they don't even give you placement, 100% placement. They only say that they'll give you placement, but where they don't know. Here you pay almost not even a 1/4 of it, and you get placements abroad.
Nice, so, nice. So, as you are listening from her directly, you know it very well now that how this industry has shaped her, how this college has shaped her. And now the future is in her hand only. She is moving abroad. She is going to work under the French chefs. She is going to work under the European chefs, specifically, if I should say. They are the one of the, what we can say, hardest to handle, I should say.
Yeah,
right?
They are.
But once you will learn from them, you will become a master chef. Okay, because they are the one who have a knowledge about everything. Every bits and pieces, I should say. So her journey is going to take shape from here, just from the internship only. And whatever she is going to earn, I'm not going to disclose it, but whatever she is going to earn, a normal engineer graduate or even a what we can say, any graduate in India will not able to earn even in 3 years or 4 years of his career. She is going to earn that much in the internship only. So now you can assume by yourself. So fees, I guess there was a matter for you as well. The fee is a bit high, as you said that it is 1/4 of the nominal charges of any other hotel management college or anything like that. But if you look back now about the fees part and all, what do you think after getting a placement in Dubai?
It's not that high. Like if you cannot afford the fees, they have definitely loan also.
Yes.
College also provides you with loans. So it's like if you're working for 6 months, you can definitely repay back your this.
Exactly. That
it's
is
like return of investment.
Exactly.
Yeah. ROI.
based course.
We also learn that in commerce.
Okay. Yes, she has also learned the same thing.
So you basically get ROI, like how you get on stocks or basically anything. So this is basically education. None of the institutes actually provide ROI. This is the first time.
Exactly. So like it's an 18-month of course. After 6 months, you go for the internship for 12 months. In this 12 months, whatever the work you are going to do, whatever the money you are going to earn, it is actually the money which you have paid for the course, right?
Yes,
so after 18 months, automatically whatever you are earning for yourself. So this course will go for one time only, for 18 months only. After 18 months, it will give you the benefit for the long term. For next 20 year, 30 year down the line, anything possible. So, Raki, anything which you want to add, which you want to convey to the students who are watching this video from any part of India or of the world as well? What do you want to say to them about the Enviro Skills, about joining, and about the hesitation which they are having, whether they should go for the hotel management or not?
Hotel industry is not easy. I won't say it is easy because it is really not. You have to work for long hours and people will take you for granted. But if you really like this industry, if you really have passion for this industry, why not? And if you want to come, then why not come to Enviro Skills when they're providing you with so much things when other colleges are not? placement, hostel facilities, food, and best faculty, and the infrastructure of the college with so many. They have a housekeeping lab, they have a separate bakery kitchen, even hot kitchen is separate. Like I have made so many dishes, during my 6 months. Various cuisines I've tried, and they provide you with such valuable feedback. And I had come, I knew nothing professionally about kitchen, and now that I'm going, I'm considered one of the best students in food production. I can say that much.
You are actually. That's
And
why initially I just said.
that is only because of my food production faculty. I give full credit to them.
Yes.
Because what they made me, they were so strict with me, and I'm really happy they were, because if they were not, I would be just another student. And right now in this world, you have to be competitive if you want to stay.
Exactly.
Only strong survive. There's no place for weak in the hotel industry.
Yes, exactly.
So if you really have passion, why not join us
So
in
would you like
Goa?
to thank them?
Of course, if they'll definitely watch this video, I would love to thank all the faculty in this college for giving me with so much things, which I could never ever possibly think. My
Exactly.
production faculty, even I'm a production student, I've learned about other departments so much. Housekeeping, my class teacher, my housekeeping teacher was the best. He has taught me so many things. I can still do the bed making under 5 minutes. I can still become a good housekeeper. F&B, my teacher was Douglas sir. He taught me, so many amazing mocktails, and so much knowledge about F&B, how to serve a guest. And like I can serve. Even if you come to my college, I'll definitely serve you also with a nice, very refreshing mocktail. Then even front office, my practicals were amazing. So even if you're not for kitchen, if you want to join any other department, I'm telling you, the faculty is the best in Enviro skills.
Thank you so much, Rakhi, for giving us this acknowledgement.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, this is true. We just not only teach one department, we will prepare you for every other department as well, because this industry is very big, and if you want to achieve heights in your career, you should know about every other department as well. So please just I just want to tell you, follow your passion as she has done. Okay, and just think about the career which you are going to face in the future, because your today's decision will make your future bright or dull. It's up to you. Okay, so just come and just join us fast, because registrations are filling up very quickly. Okay, and one last thing. Okay, don't just think about that what others are saying, because others don't know about this. If they were aware about this thing, they might have joined it earlier as well. So they are not aware about anything. You are the only one who is going to take a decision for yourself. So just come fast and just start growing up. Thank you so much, Rakhi. Thank you for being here on our show. It was really
Thank
nice
you, sir.
talking with you.
My pleasure.
It's really having a discussion with you is always very good, because you have lots of ideas with you. You knows about so many things. Okay, so I hope this will be continue. Okay,
Yes.
and you will
Sir,
achieve whatever you want to. Okay, so Rakhi, it was great to have you here. Internship के बाद में फिर मिलेंगे.
Thank you.
चलो,
So,
have a
पक्का
great
एक साल बाद I'll see you again here.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Have a great day.